Samsung Jet 95 versus Dyson V15. Which one is better? I'm going to tell you which is better between the Samsung Jet 95 and the Dyson V15. The Dyson V15 is known for its powerful suction, laser dust detection, and advanced filtration. It features a high torque cleaner head and a laser that reveals hidden dust on hard floors. The V15 also has an LCD screen that displays real-time dust, particle analysis, and battery life. It's great for deep cleaning carpets and picking up fine debris. On the other hand, the Samsung Jet 95 is a strong competitor with multi-cyclone technology, a lightweight design, and a long-lasting removable battery. It offers strong suction power and comes with a mop attachment, making it a better choice for homes with hard floors. If you want a high-tech feature and deeper carpet cleaning, the Dyson V15 is the better option. But if you need a more budget-friendly, lightweight vacuum with a mop function, the Samsung Jet 95 is a solid choice.